The art of cinema has been revolutionized by numerous techniques, none more transformative than the point of view, or POV. This innovative perspective introduced audiences to a novel experience, allowing them to see the world through the eyes of characters, drawing them deeper into the narrative fabric. The seeds of POV in cinema were planted by silent film pioneers, who recognized perspective as a powerful tool for emotional engagement. Through altering the narrative lens, they learned to manipulate audience emotions, making the cinematic experience more immersive. POV's historical impact is monumental, challenging filmmakers to reimagine genre conventions. From the suspenseful glances of a thriller protagonist to the wide-eyed wonder of an adventure hero, POV revolutionized storytelling, making it more about the experience than just the plot. This shift marked the beginning of a new chapter in cinematic evolution, with filmmakers exploring how different genres could utilize POV to deepen storytelling and redefine audience engagement. As we delve further into cinematic storytelling, the evolution of POV, driven by relentless technological advancements, takes center stage. Beyond traditional genre boundaries, POV's application has expanded, inviting audiences into the heart of narratives in unprecedented ways. Technological leaps, from sophisticated camera techniques to virtual reality, have given filmmakers new horizons to explore in immersive storytelling. The transformative effect of POV is evident across genres. Action films immerse audiences in chaos, horror utilizes it to elevate suspense, documentaries apply POV to build empathy, and romance films create intimacy. This diversified application has profoundly changed audience engagement, transforming viewers from passive observers to active participants in the narrative journey. The ongoing dialogue between viewer reception and creative experimentation continues to drive genre evolution, promising a future of storytelling limited only by the imagination. The impact of point of view, or POV, extends beyond a mere cinematic technique. It's central to connecting with audiences on an emotional level. By inviting viewers to step into the character's shoes, POV creates an immersive experience, amplifying the emotional intensity of storytelling. This technique enriches narrative depth, revealing the inner thoughts and unspoken emotions of characters, thereby fostering a deeper engagement with the story. Exploring POV's impact on storytelling and engagement emphasizes its pivotal role in blurring the lines between the observer and the participant. As we prepare to explore the unique ways genres like horror and romance utilize POV to evoke distinct emotional responses, the critical role of POV in shaping viewer experience becomes increasingly clear. Each film genre uniquely manipulates POV to evoke specific emotional landscapes, offering audiences varied experiences. Horror exploits POV to immerse us in suspenseful environments, aligning our heartbeats with those on screen, while romance uses it to foster intimacy, letting us feel the warmth of love. Action and documentaries, similarly, harness POV for visceral thrills and insightful contemplations, respectively. The effectiveness of POV across genres illustrates not just its storytelling prowess, but also its capacity to craft resonant experiences. As we continue to explore POV's role in filmmaking, we uncover how it intricately shapes our emotional journey through stories, proving that the perspective from which a tale is told can profoundly impact the narrative experience. Looking towards the horizon of filmmaking, the future teems with possibilities, where cutting-edge technologies promise to redefine storytelling through POV. Envision a filmmaking realm enriched by digital innovations, fostering genres that offer unparalleled emotional connections and narrative immersion. As these technologies evolve, they expand our storytelling toolkit, promising new opportunities for engaging audiences and exploring emotional terrains. The journey of POV in filmmaking is far from over. Each technological advance not only signifies the evolution of cinematic technique, but heralds a revolution in audience connection. The potential for groundbreaking storytelling methods looms large, inviting filmmakers, content creators, and students to pioneer the narratives of the future.